Now in algorithms, the type we are studying analysis of algorithms. So we must know that there are two types of analysis that we do. One is called a posteriori analysis and the another one is called a priori analysis. Now these terms won't really come in the course of this topic, this entire subject, but maybe you must know it that a posteriori analysis is also called relative analysis and a priori is called absolute analysis. Now focus on the word relative and absolute. So what do we see here? That a posteriori is dependent on the language of compiler and the type of hardware, and a priori is independent of the language of compiler and the type of hardware. A posteriori gives us the exact answer, the exact complexities it provides us with, whereas a priori just provides us with approximate answers. Now the answer changes system to system because it is the exact answer. So definitely it will change according to the hardware, because we know a fact that the type of hardware matters for the speed of compilation and the running and everything. Some hardware is better and some is not that efficient. So the answer changes. And in a priori, it is the same answer on every system because we are considering the approximate answer. And the a posteriori method will postpone the answer until all the parameters it needs, it gets them. And the a priori will not postpone the answer. It will try to calculate with whatever resources are available already. So when you see this, you should get an idea that we cannot really, this is not such a practical method to go for every little problem we have. We cannot have different answers for every system. So we study a priori analysis throughout the course. It is the absolute analysis. We have an approximate answer which will work for every system, so we don't really need to study each and every system and everything in detail, in another depth. Now there's one note I have written here that everyone cannot buy a supercomputer, but everybody can write super algorithms because everybody has brains.